Warm greetings to you. My name is Dr. Joseph M. Munyua. Today we are focusing on the data analysis, its meaning and purpose. In research, the data analysis is considered as a process of cleaning, sieving, transforming, and modeling data, which is aimed at enabling the concerned researcher to discover useful information towards making a certain decision or a particular informed conclusion. Therefore, the purpose of analyzing the collected data is to extract useful information from that very available raw data. The said useful information can enable the researcher to make a well-informed decision or conclusion which is based on the analyzed data. Strictly therefore, the data analysis involves breaking down the collected data, which enables the researcher to attain a cross-examination of that gathered data and a good understanding of the same data towards making a discovery of something, a grounded decision, an informed conclusion, and so forth. By the way, note that the data correction, the data analysis, and the data interpretation are the notable progressive steps that lead to the answering of the research questions, the testing of the research hypothesis, the meeting of the research objectives, and the final attempt to solve the research problem. All in all, the data analysis denotes a methodical handling or breaking down of the collected data, which is aimed at enabling the researcher to make an informed decision or a conclusion during the interpretation of the analyzed data. Accordingly, after the data correction, the ensuing data analysis paves way for the data interpretation, which embraces, among other things, the answering of the research questions, the testing of the research hypothesis, the meeting of the research objectives, and the solving of the research problem. In this context, sooner or later, we shall attempt to explain a few techniques of the data analysis. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.